Hi everyone, welcome to our first video on inventory valuation. To help us going through all the different methods, we will use the example of a ketchup company. For our ketchup company, the revenue will be the number of bottles of ketchup you sold during the year times how much you charged your client for it. Your cost of goods sold will be the number of tomatoes that you purchased during the year times how much it costed you. If you deduce your cost of goods sold from your revenue, you will find out your gross profit. If you find a positive number, it is a good sign. If instead you find a negative number, it means you are already selling at a lower price your bottle of ketchup than what it costs you to produce. Now, let's focus on the information you need to calculate your cost of goods sold. First, you need your beginning inventory. You need to know how many tomatoes you have in your beginning inventory and how much it costed you. Your beginning inventory of this year is equal to your ending inventory of the previous year. You will also need the same information regarding your purchase. Please keep track of your purchases separately. The last information that is required to calculate the cost of goods sold is the number of sales, how many bottles of ketchup you sold. The price is optional for our calculation of cost of goods sold. Be careful. Sometimes you will not be given the number of sales. Instead, you will need to calculate it yourself with the ending inventory. In this calculation, we only care about quantity. So you take your beginning inventory and you add all the different purchases minus your ending inventory to find out the number of sales. Before we move on to the actual method, you need to calculate your goods available for sale. It will help you calculate your ending inventory. The goods available for sale means the amount of inventory you had during the year. It is your beginning inventory, quantity times cost, plus all your different purchases. The good thing with your goods available for sales, if you calculate it for one method, it will be good for all the others.